Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and this is a quick upload once again to say I've done a live stream, and guess what? We have another copyright issue. I mean, this is nuts, bruv. I have contacted the old Planet Moo. They've cleared me from that. I don't know if that's working. I asked for my channel to be whitelisted, and now we've got another issue with another company. And now apparently the track is called Movement by Mako. And it's sound recording, and the track's called Dig This on behalf of Nomad Records. Play. Huh? Doesn't sound nothing like it. Then we go play here again. Apparently Rebel with a Cause. Merlin Music Phoenix is copyrighted too, featuring Busy B on Busy B's channel. Look at that. Click here. Oh, it's turned away again. Oh. Better not play that too much, might get a copyright shot. And then we have Just a Little Bit of Hip Hop by the Dream Team. Stop. And it's claimed by New State Entertainment Limited on behalf of... Oh, here we go. Look, on behalf of Suburban Bass. And this one is on behalf of Nomad Records. So now I've got to contact Nomad Records. I've got to contact Jetstar. And I've got to contact Suburban Bass to see if I can get these copyrights listed or get my channel whitelisted. Because now the silly thing is about this is, again, I don't receive any sales statements from these companies that apparently have the rights to be putting my stuff online digitally after all these years. So this is annoying, to say the least, people. It's annoying. And this is something that I believe that has to be sorted over time, because I'm probably not going to be the first or the last person to have this problem. But as you can see, these people, they obviously put out tunes. I'm not saying it is these people, but this is who comes up when you type New State Music. And they seem pretty mustard in the scene. 10,000 subscribers, blah, blah, blah. Orchid Music, here's another one. Dispute false claims by the Orchid Music, dealing directly with the Orchid. So there's a video here that apparently deals with that.
Hey there, this is Jordan Molson, and if you are in the middle of or at any stage in the process of having a copyright claim placed on one of your YouTube videos by a company called The Orchard or Orchard Music, then in this video I hope to give you some hope on getting that copyright claim resolved. I'm going to share a quick story with you of a process that I just completed actually this morning. And there is hope in this video. Actually, the process and the story I'm about to share with you ended very positively for me personally. And I also want to give a shout out to The Orchard. They don't know I'm making this video. This is not in any conjunction with The Orchard. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever.
Okay, so hopefully that will go good. I'm going to have a look at that video and see what can be done. But also as well, I feel that, you know, with these copyright strikes, it makes me really nervous that one day I'm going to come here and I'm going to see my channel suspended for my own music. So I'm thinking about not keeping my eggs in one basket, people. I might start doing the odd stream on Twitch. I'm going to go over to there and do a few bits and pieces. So I'll announce that channel, and maybe you guys can subscribe to that too. We'll maybe just do one feature, do something over there, and also do the Facebook Live thing as well, because, you know, it's a lot of hard work gone into this channel, and it's really annoying at this stage. I know some, you know, I don't want to get people angry or nothing like that, but it's just a nightmare. Anyway, quick heads up. Just to let you know, guys, what I'm going through right now with this thing. You know, it was here till like 12 o'clock last night doing a stream, and now it's all gone potty. But I hope all positive vibes with everyone and everything's all good. Take care. God bless. Peace.